guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trendy Eve. Today's video is going to be about Kendall Jenner's look. I absolutely love it. I mean, she is a supermodel and a part of the Kardashians, as we already know, but I really wanted to challenge myself if I can make that look, so I went ahead and done that. And guys, I was pleased with the outlook, but if you want to see how I put the whole thing together, then please keep watching. This is a layout of how I cut everything out, and I'll just come a little bit closer to show you what I've done. So this is going to be the back of the dress, and over here is going to be the front of the dress, and then on the far right I've got the band for the neck, and then this is going to be the straps that I'm going to be using, and this is going to be what's going to hold the straps together. Here I'm sharing with you how I'm joining up my shoulder seam by using a 1 centimeter seam allowance. This dress was worn by Kendall Jenner back in 2015. The designer is Calvin Klein, and I just love this dress, and thought I would recreate the style myself. Guys, please stick around till the end of the video, because there I'll be sharing with you which celebrity outfit that I'll be creating next. So when I look at her dress, it's fully closed along the side seam down the bottom, but I'm going to want like little splits. So I have got nips where I start and end, and then I'm going to put it on the stand just to show you what exactly I am talking about. So let's just join the other shoulder. I'm just joining my side seams and giving it a split as well. Also, I'd want to take the time to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Right guys, so I'm still making a strap. So how I do this is I'm just going to push the pin in, and turn it back on itself so that it goes inside. Just keep pushing it down onto the pin and just keep pulling and straightening out, and just keep going down. So I need to achieve by me going all the way down to the other end, so that when I'm finished it will look like this. Don't forget to watch my previous video where I made a Taylor Swift outfit, which really turned out nice. Right guys, so I've got some pins lined up around here. So I'm going to have like 4 loops, which I'm going to create here, and this is just to hold the straps in what I was making earlier. So they're roughly going to go like that. So that's what I'm going to create now. So these are going to be the straps to give me that crisscrossy tie for the back and the front. Right guys, so where I've pinned, which is here, I just want my loops to be sticking out so that it looks like this. Okay guys, so now that I've put the loops on, it looks like this. So this is from the side. And I'm just going to put the collar on and then put it back on the stand so I can start threading it all up, just see what that looks like. So in order to achieve to put the collar on, all I'm doing is just using a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Guys, now that I'm being proactive, I'm going to be creating a video every single Thursday, so check it out. So when I'm done, this is what the collar looks like. Okay guys, so now that I'm done, this is what the collar looks like, and this is it from the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting these through the loops. So guys, here I'm just sharing with you how the dress is looking on the stand. So all I basically done was crisscross it over to make it look almost like you're doing your shoelaces up. I've had this fabric now for the last 4 years, sitting in my cupboard not doing anything with, and I'm so grateful that I pulled it out and created this dress, because I am a strong believer now, that is, that you can create anything you want to create and it's never too late, and I'm so glad I've woken up to this. So guys, this is the finished look, and I am so pleased that my granddaughter came over and modelled off the look for me. She looks absolutely stunning. Guys, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to the channel, and also give me a thumbs up because I would really appreciate that. And I'd also like to present Rihanna. I just can't wait to be working on her look. Guys, thanks once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.